Ready to party tonight? Hot and wild babes want to rock with you. Call 1-800-450-WILD. Call now and get a free hot sample. That's 1-800-450-WILD. Ready to take a walk on the wild side? Come on. Let's party. Call now.
Hi, Tom Bodette. Well, this is what I looked like back when I was new. And this is a new room at Motel 6. When I was new, a new room at Motel 6. Cute, huh? I'm Tom Bodette, and we'll leave the light on for you.
No cinnamon gum freshens breath longer than Big Red.
Get close a little longer, kiss a little longer, hold tight a little longer, longer with Big Red. That Big Red freshness that's right through it. Your fresh breath goes on and on while you chew it. So roll on a little longer, make it last a little longer. Give your breath a little lasting freshness with Big Red.
And now, the Glover Slam of the Week. Glover, new for Nintendo 64 and PC CD-ROM. Gotta love the glove.
Tonight you will see Kane take on Gerald Briscoe and Pat Patterson, the Stooges. Kane, make them pay. Choke Slamorama, and oh yeah, Patterson going for a ride. Oh my God!
That was the Glover Slam of the Week. Glover, new for Nintendo 64 and PC CD-ROM. Gotta love the glove.
It's gonna be the Phenom, The Undertaker, against The Rock, 6'10", 320 pounds, tattooed body. So what? The Rock is the great one. The Rock is the most electrifying man in sports entertainment. The Rock is the most innovative and creative man in sports entertainment. The Rock is without a shadow of a doubt the great one. So Undertaker, Rock, one-on-one with the great one makes your dead monk famous. So before it's all said and done, all the smoke is cleared. The thousands and thousands of The Rock's fans are through chanting his name. The Rock is damn sure gonna make sure that you R.I.P. And it don't mean rest in peace, but rest in if you smell what The Rock, you jabronis know the rest. When in the hell does Stone Cold Steve Austin get a match named after him? Like all of a sudden, things are tough in Texas. Like all of a sudden, there's something remotely scary about a rattlesnake. Well, quite frankly, Texas sucks. And quite frankly, again, it should be called The Rock's Rules Brahma Bull Style. Because the Brahma Bull is the animal that will stomp the living out of any rattlesnake, or definitely out of any mankind. So when it's all said and done, all the Rock smoke is cleared, the thousands and the thousands of The Rock's fans are through chanting his name. The Rock is gonna make sure that you two jabronis, maybe even three, realize that there ain't but one. And The Rock means only one most electrifying man in sports entertainment today. If you smell what The Rock is cooking. When it's all said and done, mankind, yes, your ass lays down. The Rock standing over you. You've got the smackdown laid on you. The Rock, the new WWF champ. Hey, it's Valentine's Day. The Rock has a soft heart. He's gonna have a big box of chocolate X-Lax for your cellulite, because obviously you need it. It's all said and done. The Rock standing over you, the great one. The Rock standing over you, the most electrifying man in sports entertainment today. The Rock standing over you, the best damn WWF champ there ever was. May 2nd, 1972, the great one was born. March 28, 1999, WrestleMania, the site of the great one, going one-on-one with the biggest piece of Texas trailer park trash walking in Stone Cold Steve Austin. As far as for The Rock is concerned, the greatest book ever written is The Rock against Stone Cold, the Brahma Bull against Steve Austin, the Rattlesnake. And the greatest thing about this novel is it has infinite chapters, which means Stone Cold, The Rock, will be whooping your Rudy Poo candy for the rest of your ever-loving life. So come WrestleMania, there will be millions and millions of The Rock fans chanting his name. When it's all said and done, all the smoke is cleared, you'll realize that there ain't nobody. And The Rock means nobody that could ever be the WWF champ like The Rock. If you smell what The Rock is cooking. Finally, the time has come, Steve Austin. It's going to be you and the great one this Sunday. We will set records. We will make history. And The Rock has said it before, and he damn sure will say it now. The Rock lives and breathes and will die for two things. The first is that The Rock will always live to entertain the millions and millions of The Rock fans. And number two, The Rock lives to kick your monkey all over God's green earth if you smell what The Rock is cooking.
After 65 million years, the island is awake. It's time.
Elliot, do you have a password?
Time to kill.
Now what?
Time to die.
The electric system is dead. We can't get into the host of the lab.
An Angel of Good Luck. It's a limited edition. Nephilim. You hang this on at the ship's bow for protection. Pretty neat, huh?
In full scale. In full polygon world.
She likes you. If you're looking for a weapon,
Come on, make it happen.
Snotty rat. Your mother is exactly like her.
Never mind. I don't need a guardian.
She made a choice.
A new generation of adventure is beginning.
blue light which can't be analyzed. What are they doing in such a place?
Merry Christmas.
Sega Enterprises presents Blue Stinger. Coming soon.